Ladies, look what's finally here. That Magic Lace by UNice. I didn't just get one, honey. I got two. So the first one, I got a natural black body wave, and as you guys can see, it is coming pre-curled. Now this unit is gonna come like any other glueless unit by UNice. Now the only difference with this glueless wig is that the top part comes off. So we'll have the Velcro, but also a clip right on the end, another clip in the middle of the wig. The last clip will be on the other end. And the Velcro will be all around the circumference of this wig. Now let's go ahead and put her on. This unit is so beautiful and seamless, just like a normal glueless unit, coming to you pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleach. But I want to search up the styles, so let's go ahead and put on the next top. Here is the second top, and I have this one in the balayage color. Once again, she has the clips on the ends, so we're gonna go ahead and clip the first clip down and push her in the Velcro all the way around. Now that we're back at the other end, we're gonna do the final clip. Now she is fully secured. And just like that, we have a whole nother wig. All you gotta do is buy a new top and reuse the whole wig. This one is definitely such an easy, convenient unit to go ahead and bring your wig back to life without having to buy a whole new one. Let me know how you guys feel about this new product in the comments.